Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add nickname to your Google account. So if you want to add nickname to your Google account, this is how you can go about it. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. Now on your mobile, if you're using any of Google's services, such as your Google Play Store, Gmail, Google Maps, and many more, you can simply open on any of them and tap on your Google account at the top right corner of your screen. Under your account, you see Manage your Google account. Tap on this and this will open your Google account. You can also open your browser on your mobile and search for Google account. Now you should see Manage your Google account if you are signing into your Google account. You can tap on this to open your Google account settings, or you can tap on Google account to sign in into your Google account if you haven't yet signed in on your browser. And if you have already signed in, this will load your Google account settings. If you're using Android, simply tap and open settings on your Android device and search for settings in the search section, or scroll down till you find Google. Tap on Google and then tap on your mail in this section. Under this, you'll find Manage your Google account. Tap on this and this will open your account settings. Under account settings, tap on personal info and then tap on name in this section. Now tap on nickname and then give a nickname in this section. Now changes you make to your nickname will reflect across your Google account. Anyone can see this information when they communicate with you or view content you create in Google services. Tap on save to update your nickname and your nickname will be updated. Now on PC, you want to open your browser, and once your browser is opened, if you're using Google Chrome, you can simply click on anywhere with your Google account profile picture, and under this you'll find Manage your Google account. If you're not yet signing into a browser, you want to come to the search section and search for Google account. Click on Google account sign in and you'll be able to sign in into your Google account, and if you're already signed in, this will take you to your Google account settings. Click on personal info, and under personal info, you want to scroll down a little and click on name. Click on nickname and you'll be able to follow through the same steps in this section. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.